So hello my Priceless family, and this is the beginning of another real life vlog with Katrina. And we're about to get on the road. I'm going out of town again for church. And yeah, it's a little bit right before 11. So we're getting ready to leave. So I'll check back with you when we get on the road. So welcome to my real life vlog. This is the Price's Pearl Life with me, Katrina. And you know this is a lifestyle channel, so I'm sharing a few days of my life as we go and spend a few days out of town, just a couple of hours away. We stopped to Buccee's. You know, I've been here before, but this is my cousins. This is their first time to Buccee's. So we're gonna go inside and peruse the store and see if there's anything new in here. Mama's hiding. Y'all want to see Mama? You know, Mama's always, crashing the video.
I'm not crashing.
Oh, listen, I gotta turn this around. Y'all can see Buccee. Oh, look at Buccee. Oh, he needs the floss. Let me show you some of the items that they have. So let's flip the camera around. So what's Buccee's? Well, Buccee's is a super gas station. It sells gas. It sells home goods, food, t-shirts, jewelry, hunting, camping gear. It sells so many items. But on today's trip, we were focused all on the food. My cousins were going crazy looking at all the food and trying to determine what they wanted first. Just keep watching. There's so much to see at Buccee's. So while Mom and my cousins are racing around the food court, I'm looking at the home decor section and looking at the Christmas plates and table settings. Also, they had lots of Thanksgiving decor as well as everyday decor. And some of the prices, well, they're comparable. And some of them, well, I think they're a little too high for me. But anyway, you be the judge. This place is packed. And did I mention they have desserts? as well as jerky, jerky, and more jerky. We're here at the Florence Civic Center, here for worship on tonight. There goes Nevaeh. Y'all see, oh, look how pretty she looks with her fascinator. Oh, she looking like a big girl. So we're here for worship, and we're excited about what the Lord is going to do tonight. Ministers, they take in temperature. I see them. One of the ministers that I've been wanting to hear is actually speaking tonight. So I'm excited about being able to be in worship with him live. So I'll show you a little bit of the service. Not too much because, you know, I might be on the floor. So we'll be back.
We glorify you. We honor you, oh God. You're a wonderful God. You're a magnificent God. You're magnanimous, oh God. And you're worthy. Worthy of all the praise. Worthy of all the glory. Worthy of all the honor. Jesus. We honor you, Jesus. We honor you, Jesus. He changed my diet, and so I'm still alive.
So what is it about us? When we go out of town, we find a Home Goods because we think there's a treasure there that's not where we live. So that's what we did. We went hunting for treasures.
demonstration. That's the word of the Lord. Yes, sir.
Is my real life vlog. You've been following me around. Instead of it being the day in the life of a pastor, it's the days in the life of a pastor. I'm busy, but it's a good busy because the kingdom of God demands it and wants it on my life. So until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.